Once upon a time, in the magical land of Whimsywood, there lived three inseparable friends: Benny the bunny, Bella the bear, and Sammy the squirrel. They were the best of friends, always ready for new adventures and discoveries in their woodland home. Benny, with his fluffy white ears and ever-curious nature, was always the one to suggest exploring new parts of Whimsywood. Bella, big, cuddly, and endlessly caring, had a knack for baking the yummiest honey cakes, which they often took on their picnics. And then there was Sammy, small and swift, the fastest climber of all the trees, who was always ready to fetch a nut or two. One sunny morning, as golden rays of sun sprinkled through the leaves, Benny bounded into Bella's cozy den, excitement twinkling in his eyes. "Let's go to the secret pond today," he chirped. Bella clapped her paws. "Oh yes, we can have a picnic by the water." Sammy, who just tumbled in through the window, chittered in agreement. "I'll race you all there." Off they went, hopping, lumbering, and dashing through the forest. They sang joyful songs as they traveled, enchanting the trees and flowers with their harmony. Finally, they arrived at the secret pond, its clear blue surface hiding mysteries beneath. Amongst the green lilies sat an old, wise turtle named Mr. Torts, who smiled warmly at the young friends. With their blankets spread out, Bella brought out her honey cakes and Sammy set down a basket full of crunchy nuts. Benny discovered a log perfectly shaped for diving, and before they could say splash, all friends were in the water giggling and splashing about. After a long, delightful day of swimming, playing hide and seek, and sharing stories with Mr. Torts, they finally lay under the whispering trees. Watching the sky turn into the soft colors of dusk, "We are the best of friends," said Benny softly, his heart full. "Yes," nodded Bella, hugging them all tightly. "And together, every day is an adventure." Sammy, with a glint in his eye, added, "Tomorrow is another day for exploring, and I hear there's a rainbow meadow just waiting for us." And so, with the setting sun, our merry band of friends drifted into dreams, already dreaming of their next joyful journey in the land of Whimsywood.